Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and right display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the webcam. Remove the display panel cable. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel cable.